So today in math we were looking at being able to find an unknown dimension of a rectangle when we are given the perimeter and one of the dimensions. And to do that, they're going to have a piece of string that is 60 inches long, and I'm going to tell them that one of the dimensions has to be 12 inches, and then they're going to work with that string and math to figure out the other dimension. So I cut some, not really cut, I ripped. There's some over there and there's a few over here, and we'll make sure that you have enough for you and your partner. But what you would do, the way you would use them is like you might start here with one, and then let's say I decided that this was where one dimension was going to be, and then I could turn it like this. See how I'm doing that? Eyes up here. Tyler, eyes over here. Okay, and then I can use my tape to create the rectangle. So what we're trying to find, remember we know that the string is how long? 60 inches, and one dimension has to be 12 inches, and then you have to figure out what is the rectangle going to look like and what is the measurement of the other side that we don't know, the other dimension. Thumbs up if you think you know what we're doing. Okay, so one partner is going to grab some pieces of tape, okay, and one partner is going to grab the string from me. Then you need to find a spot in the room where you can create your rectangle. Okay, here are your partners, except that Nikolai and Leon, you're going to be partners today, so that William and Kira can be partners. And who is Elizabeth's partner? Sam, you're going to work with Owen and Maya. Okay? All right, ready, set, go.
Stop it. Stop it.
Somebody go grab a string. Somebody go grab a tape. Pick your own string.
No, we only Let's go.
Do we need tape?
Tape.
Oh, and you need tape.
You can get masking tape too, Maya. So this side is 12 and this side is 12. Now what do we know?
These two combined are going to be 24.
Great. I wonder how we can work with that information.
We can do 24, then we can learn how these are. We can add them together. We can add the two stuff.
Great idea.
21. Yeah.
What do you think, Kevin? We work with that? If we know this is 12 and 12?
I'm going to go get a whiteboard. So we have to do the 4 though. We have to do the 4 one though.
Is the 21 for this one or that one?
Okay, so that's 4. So let me put a piece of tape.
I think it's 4 times 15. I mean 4 plus 15. No.
It's 60.
I was doing times. I was doing multiplication.
12.
Multiplication.
So this piece go. Help me, somebody, help me.
Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Just fold it like that.
This one.
Hold it like that.
Don't move it.
This isn't working. This is very hard. Now let's just check that it's 4 inches.
Yay!
Oh, did I hit you?
Yeah.
I knew it.
So let me just tape that piece down.
Need tape.
Okay. So now we have tape.
Now 21.
So, but we have to put this right here and then do it. Sam, piece of tape, please. Right here.
Okay, right here.
No, right here.
Right here?
Okay, that works.
We have to make sure.
Move my water bottle. Move this back. Okay.
This measuring.
It might be longer than the table.
Now do we have to untape it? No.
is this going to be W or is this going to be L?
W.
This is also going to be W, right? And so what's this one going to be?
L.
Oh, this one's also L. Do you guys agree with that?
Up and
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay,
Sides are different.
that's right. So we have this side and this side are the same, right? And this side and this side
All the same.
are the same, okay? So let's look at what we know on number 1. If you use your string to form a rectangle with one dimension of 24 inches. Okay, should we make that the L or the W?
L.
The L? Okay, so let's make this L into 24. So we know that is 24. So if we know that's 24, what else do we know?
Well, we don't know the width.
You're right. We don't know the width. That's what we're trying to find out, aren't we? So what else do we know?
We only know that length is 24.
You're right. So Tiger, I see that you wrote another 24 there. Where else did you write 24?
On the down.
Oh, underneath, right? If this is 24, then this is also 24.
Because
Right?
L and the L are going to be the same.
Exactly. That's right. Mikey, are you with us? This is 24 and this is 24. Okay. How do I find the perimeter? How do I find the perimeter?
You add the width and the...
I have to add the width plus the what? Length plus what?
The width and the length.
Uh-huh.
Well, first we don't know the width.
That's right. But look at my equation here. I'm going to fill in what I know. So I'm going to go W plus 24 plus W plus 24.
W. So you probably should add some.
Now we're working with numbers of our dimensions. It's not in the middle, remember? It's the outside. So we're not worried about the area. Outside. Add it all together.
That's my thinking voice. It's just become a habit.
Which is my total all the way around.
I totally forgot to raise my first grade. The outside.
That won't work. Oh, that's where the rest of it went. 18. 12 by 18. 12 by... Okay. That got messed up. Okay, 12. Okay, 12. I'm gonna get another.
I'm using my middle finger.
12. Wait, finger right. 12. Oh yeah, like the same as this. No, right. 12. Right here. 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh yeah. 12. Like the train. Okay, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's the 6 right there. Hey, that just it doesn't matter. Yeah, it does. I'm not going to make it
math?
So 4 times 6. 4 times. Let's just do the middle. 4 times 46.
I'll make these potatoes.
No, because we know one side is 12. Correct. I'm going to borrow your string.
Yeah, we aren't using it.
I know.
I don't see the point in drawing the rectangle if we already figured this all out. Because I don't know.
Thank you for coming quickly and quietly, 4th graders. All right, so I want to hear how some of you went about solving the problem. I am constantly using my whiteboard markers.
Oh, I have one.
Thank you. Oh, you took my orange one.
D12.
Thank you. All right. So remember, we knew that one side was 12, right? And we knew that the perimeter was 60. Who can share with us how they went about solving this? Derek? Do you want to come up and draw or write? Or you just want to tell me? Okay. Did you know that at first though? Okay. So what did you know at first? Ooh, do you guys agree with that? So we knew that this side over here had to be 12, right? What else? Now what do we do with that? What do we do with that? Sophie?
We can do 12 plus 12, which is 24.
How many of you did that? At some point along the way, you realized, well, let's take that 12 and 12. Oh, so how can we make sure it's 60? Oh, what?
We knew it was. So then we did. I just did my math wrong.
Yeah.
And then it was supposed to be 18.
Okay, so now you figured it out, right? Okay, good. So how did you figure it out?
So how I figured it out was you gave us the hint of saying 2 of the sides will need to be 12 and 2. And so at first I was thinking, okay, we could do 15. We could do 15 by 15. And then but then that would make a square. So then I came up with that idea of doing 17 divided by 12, I came up with that idea, but I did it wrong because 12, 13, 14, 15. I had to give 15. I had to give 3 to 15, but I had to give 2 to 3.
Oh. So you finally did figure out that it would be 18?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Would be right? Yep.
Yeah.
And remember.
Smiling.
But it kind of weird eyebrows.
So I have another question for you.
That's not right.
No, we're looking at it.